Clear cases are a great way to show off the natural beauty of the Pixel 10 device, and the Caseology Capella case strikes an excellent balance between transparency and functionality. The clear polycarbonate and TPU construction maintains the phone's aesthetic while adding practical features that elevate it above basic transparent cases. What sets the Capella apart is its ingenious hidden kickstand design. The metal hinge integrates seamlessly into the back without creating unsightly protrusions, and it's been laboratory tested for durability through 10,000 uses. The kickstand supports viewing angles up to 60 degrees, making it perfect for video calls or streaming content. Unlike bulkier alternatives, this design maintains full wireless charging compatibility. The protection credentials are solid too. Caseology upgraded to a more robust TPU material for the sides while keeping the back clear, providing 4-foot drop protection. The airspace technology reinforces corners, and thoughtful touches like front lip protection and camera guards show attention to detail. A dot pattern on internal areas prevents the watermarking that plagues many clear cases. Available in clear black, clear ivory, and clear gray, the color accents add just enough personality without overwhelming the phone's design. The anti-yellowing properties help maintain clarity over time, addressing a common complaint with transparent cases. At 1.1 ounces, it adds minimal bulk while delivering meaningful functionality. The Made for Google certification ensures seamless compatibility with Google Assistant and wireless charging. While the appearance might seem plain to some, the Capella's strength lies in its understated practicality. For Pixel 10 device users who want protection and utility without sacrificing their phone's visual appeal, this case delivers excellent value.